Welcome everyone to this new topic of percentage. This is 6A workbook page 117. We are looking at the series of work problems regarding finding whole given part and percentage. Let's take a look at these two level 1 questions. It's question 5 and 6 from page 117. They are both calculator questions, so you can use your calculator with them. Let's take a look at question 5 first, starting with some annotations. Mrs. Lim bought a refrigerator. She paid a deposit of 12% of the price first, and then there's a remaining amount that needs to be paid. That was $1,144. What was the price of the refrigerator? Okay, so in the end, you're asking for the price of the whole refrigerator. So with that, you could mark up the whole refrigerator's price. That is 100%. And what happens is she paid a part of it first, 12%. And then there's this remaining amount that she has to pay. That's $1,144. So this is the given amount that she has to pay, but we do not know how much percent is that. In the end, you are asking about the whole refrigerator's price from 0 to 100%. With that, we can find that here $1,144 is equivalent to saying 100 minus 12%. Let me write it with the units of percentage. So that's the part that is remaining amount. So this is the part that she paid first. That's called the deposit. Deposit means you pay part first, and then that's the remaining. And this is equivalent to $1,144. Okay, you can use your calculator for this, and that will be giving you an 88%. That's $1,144. So with that, you can actually calculate what's 1% with your calculator. And then after that, you want to find the whole refrigerator's price. That's 100%. So you get this amount multiplied 100. So like unitary, then gets you a certain amount. So the whole refrigerator is this price. The price of the refrigerator is don't forget the units. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Same concept can be used, same skills can be used. So let's read the question carefully. It says 42% of a number is 672. So you have 42% of a number. So actually, what is given here is, it says here, part of a number. Okay, so 42% of a number, percentage of a number, which means you know a part of it, but the number actually you don't know, and that's 672 for that part. Okay, so that part is 672, which is a 42%. Meaning, if I draw the model out, just like the previous question, from 0 to 100%, up to 42% may be around here. This quantity here, this is 672. So you actually don't know the whole 100% of the number. So that's what's saying here. So you can start with A, find the number. So I have 42%, using equivalence is 672. So I can use that and then find what's 1%. use my calculator to press that, and from there I can find 100% of the number, which is this answer multiplied by 100. So it's like unitary again, using the equivalence. So here the number is, as you use the calculator to calculate. Then we move on to the second part. So with that, I can actually find the number already. There are two methods to it. The first one says, okay, now I need 60% of the number. That means here maybe about something more. So about here 60%. It means all the way to here. What would it be? That's part B. So there are two methods to it. The first method is I already know the number, so I can find 60% of the number. Will be 60 out of 100 multiplied by that particular number, and I'll get the answer. Or I can go on to the other method. That is, I found the 1% here, so that that 1% is this amount here, and then I can go on to finding 60%, which is this amount times 60, which will give me the same answer as well. So 60% of the number will be this answer that you found. So there are two methods here. Up to you to choose. Okay, so that's the two questions on page 117, question 5 and 6.